Hey there! Welcome back to our channel where we share the latest tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your Android device. In today's video, we're going to show you how to modify media auto-download when connected on Wi-Fi in WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a great messaging app that allows you to send and receive media files, but sometimes you may not want to automatically download those media files when you're connected to Wi-Fi. Here's how you can modify your media auto-download settings in WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. First, you need to open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. If you haven't already logged in, enter your phone number and verify it. Step 2. Tap on the three dots menu in the top right. Next, tap on the three dots menu in the top right-hand corner of the app. Step 3. Tap on Settings. From the options that appear, select Settings. Step 4. Go to Storage and Data. Scroll down until you see the Storage and Data option, and tap on it. Step 5. Scroll down to the Media Auto Download tab. Scroll down until you see the Media Auto Download tab and tap on it. Step 6. Tap on When Connected on Wi-Fi. From the options that appear, select When Connected on Wi-Fi. Step 7. Select whether you want to auto-download photos or disable them all. You can now choose whether you want to auto-download photos when connected on Wi-Fi, or disable all media auto-download to prevent any data loss when connected on Wi-Fi. And that's it. Those are the simple steps to modify your media auto-download settings when connected on Wi-Fi and WhatsApp. By following these steps, you can save your mobile data and control which media files to download automatically. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to see us cover in a future video, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.